Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights, so start immediately by changing the server authentication mode. Open SQL Server Management Studio, right-click the instance, choose Properties, and select Security. Switch to SQL Server and Windows Authentication mode. This enables SQL authentication. Once done, restart the SQL Server service so the change takes effect. Make sure you have an alternate admin connection ready before restarting. Otherwise, you could lock yourself out. This step is essential because SQL authentication must be enabled at the instance level before creating SQL logins. Now create the SQL login that you will use for authentication. In SSMS, go to Security, right-click Logins, select New Login. Enter a login name, choose SQL Server Authentication, and enter a strong password. Clear and force password policy only if required by legacy apps. Set the default database and map database roles as needed. Once configured, assign appropriate server roles, avoid sysadmin unless necessary. Finally, click OK. You've provisioned the SQL credential that traditional SQL clients will use to connect. Finish by validating the new authentication method and login. From the same or a different machine, attempt a connection using SQL Server Authentication in SSMS or with SQL CMD. Supply the login and password. If remote access is required, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and restart the instance. Make sure firewalls allow the SQL Server port. Troubleshooting tip: if the login fails, verify the instance is in mixed mode, confirm the password and that the account is enabled, and check that the SQL Server service was restarted after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.